So I had to take off this cover, which is right underneath the steering wheel being right here, and that's a little curve for it. And the reason I took it off is because the front lift system, the little box that holds the switch and the harness going into it is broken. So I had to take this off, glue it together, make sure that the switch works. This is how the harness looks. But anyway, these two buttons have to be taken off first, and I'll show it to you on the car. Then this, and this cover comes off, and then you see the fuse box and everything else. But the two buttons that were, the two switches, not switches, what am I saying? The two screws that were kind of tough to get to, not tough to get to, but to find, are on each side of the steering wheel, right here and right here. And then another one that's not mentioned in the manual was there was this one right here, this little boy. Super tough to get to. The screw was actually stripped. I don't know by who, by the previous service guy, service person, whoever serviced the car. But I had to, kind of drill that. And I fucked up a little bit. And let me show you why. And the reason I fudged up is because when I was using that bad boy, that's what I did to my harness that's going into the fuse box. So now I have to either get a new one, which is probably going to be a couple $1,000s. And it's not just going to be this harness, it will be a bunch more that'll come with it. But I'll try to fix it and hope that I'm not getting any warning lights in my dash. If not, then I'll keep it. But if I keep getting the warning lights, then I'll probably replace that. But anyway, so this screw was tough to get to. And it was stripped. So I had to create some... I had to drill it and then strip it a little bit more and then open it with, unscrew it. But anyway, so 1, 2 on each side to open up. There's 2 screws right here, one right there. And then this bad boy, to get to that, you have to remove this cover right here. And then there's a vent hose that you have to remove from this little socket, and then you can reach the cover. But anyway, so I'm gonna fix this switch first. And wow, yeah, this is a bummer. So I'll address this after I fix the switch. All right, that's it for this video.